Attention loco pilot. There is a massive track maintenance work going on ahead. Please slow down and follow the updated speed limit. Make sure you home repeatedly to alert the workers.
Okay, thanks for the heads up.
This is the station master again. You have crossed the low speed limit zone now. You can get up to your cruising speed now.
Karthik, have you reached?
No, I am still on my way.
Attention local pilot. This is the station master speaking.
ALP Batara Here.
As you know, the forest between Wailini and Bandung is a Komodo dragon crossing zone. You will be passing through that today.
Yes, we are aware and have come prepared.
We just got reports from Bandung local pilot. Multiple angry Komodos are blocking the track as this is their natural habitat. We request you to please be alert and follow protocol. We will assist you further in case you do spot them. Have you encountered Komodo yet?
Yes, what do you do?
Blow horn and see if they budge. Have they dispersed?
Negative.
Loco pilot has to get down and follow the shock.
Batara, 2 station master size.
But you are the loco pilot.
I am not going to go either you do.
Have they dispersed?
Negative.
Then we have one final option. Pin firecrackers from the kit. Light and throw them.
he had done it, it would have taken this long. You have all. I think that Pramana is a terrible teacher or you are a.
I hope you don't regret.